'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the shop, not an employee was stirring. I was ready to stop. The boxes were packed on the shipping dock with care, hoping that FedEx soon will be there.
Our customers were nestled, all snug in their beds, while visions of 3D printing danced in their heads. And I, in my t-shirt and sweet Fathom cap, had just settled down for a long winter's nap.
When out in the plant there arose such a clatter, I sprang from my desk to see what was the matter. Away to the shop I flew like a laser, and focused my eyes as sharp as a razor.
The moon on the crest of the TPU powder gave a lustrous display to the printer bed below, when what behind my safety glasses did appear, but a FDM sleigh and 8 3D reindeer.
Like a Fathom expert, so lively and quick, I knew in a moment he must be Saint Nick. More rapid than quotes his reindeer they came, as he whistled and shouted and called them by name.
Now Dasher and Dancer to the SLA go, and Comet and Cupid CNC to and fro. Injection and Polyjet, I'm trusting you, Blitzen. FDM and Multijet, get on it now, Vixen.
Metal shavings from router bits do fly when they meet with an obstacle up to the sky. So up to the rooftop in an instant they flew, with a sleigh full of parts and St. Nicholas too.
And then in a twinkling, I heard on the shop floor a loud, jolly laugh I had heard years before. As it drew in my head and was turning around, down the hallway St. Nicholas came with a bound.
He was dressed all in swag from his toes to his brim, and his clothes were covered all in lattice and trim. A bundle of products he had flung on his back, and he looked like a delivery driver opening their pack.
His molds, how they shone, his capabilities, how many. His cheeks were like red filament, his nose like a 3D printed cherry. His happy and grinning mouth were drawn up like a CAD file, and the beard on his chin was as white as an SLS powder pile.
The filament nozzle that he had in his pack was ready to work like the resin in its vat. He had a broad face and a little round belly that shook when he laughed like a bowl full of jelly.
He was chubby and plump, a right jolly old elf, and I laughed when I saw him in spite of myself. A wink of his eye and a shake of his head soon gave me to know I had nothing to dread.
He spoke not a word, but went straight to his duty, and he filled all the orders, each one was a beauty. And then with a laugh and a shake of his hand, he gave me a nod, and out the dock door he ran.
He sprang to his sleigh, to his team gave a whistle, and away they all flew like the down of a thistle. But I heard him exclaim as he drove out of sight.
Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. And we also want to thank all our teammates, all our customers, and all our partners. We've almost made it through 2020, and we're looking forward to a great 2021. Thank you.